nhớ rong nhiệt sự cái tiếng trang có muốn đồ nụ xua lên xuất tù này à chưa sáng chấp lời do chó nhớ trâu từ tết chờ thia nhớ trâu hậu lúc họ từ xin non từ nó của do RC hơ do trâu.
What gì?
Yes, chỉ bút cần kỹ lúc sẽ hở thọ chờ nên sợ đời lo cùng do trâu bé nhớ trâu mà nó Hmong fashion show up hà nên gọi chi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, our honored guests and members of media who are joining us tonight, especially the one who are watching us through the online on the Facebook page, Hmong Fashion Show 2025.
Mà nó bé trong xe sắp lời của muốn nên sợ đời chẳng chân lúc sẽ hở của muốn nông kỳ toa cùng do trâu bé nhớ trâu mà nó do ý câu chùa của chẳng chân thiếu muốn nông kỳ trâu bé hay nên mong chưa sáng sắp lời do bé cho cư tờ có khánh chờ mong. Yeah.
Please welcome to the Hmong Fashion Show 2025, the elegance of uniqueness. It's our honor to be part of this Hmong event. Tonight, we share with you a celebration of creativity, elegance, and innovation, and the new collection of for our Hmong Fashion Show tonight by the talent Hmong designer and models. This event symbolizes one more important of Hmong fashion, and we're proudly to embrace this new chapter to represent to Hmong people all around the world. Before we start to the official remark, I would like to bring you guys to learn more about the history of the Hmong pattern. The Hmong people originated from China and are found in many countries such as Laos, Thailand, Burma, Vietnam, and now there are secondary immigration such as America, Australia, Canada, France. Whatever country you go, you will find our core design pattern that distinguishes the Hmong people from the past 1,000 years. Today, we celebrate Hmong modern design from Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam. Our fashion show the design, the color, and the symbols that tell our story, our culture, and share who we are. Before we move into another section, we are pleased to present our sponsor and organizers for the Hmong Fashion Show 2025 because it would make it successful without all of you.
วันที่ชับเลยเนี่ยเขาว่าเราจะสปอนเซอร์เลยจะปัดเชิงกายอให้เตียชิมัวเลยเนี่ยจะเน่งจังเจ้งว่ากูอยากให้ตอนเต้นลูกกงจงนั่นเลยเตียมงเฟรชั่นโชว์อัพผ่านเองก็ชี้เนี่ยชื่อชิจิตเอา
So please welcome our sponsor, the first one, Mr. Steve Town, the Executive Director at Center for Hmong Art and Talent. Please welcome.